Is your Ford Ranger key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. This section guides you through a simple DIY replacement. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR232 battery, available at most auto parts stores. First, locate the seam on the key fob. Gently insert the screwdriver to pry it open. Avoid excessive force. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side's orientation, usually facing up. Clean the contacts with a dry cloth if you see any corrosion. Insert the new CR232 battery correctly. Firmly snap the case back together, ensuring it clicks securely to avoid an open case issue. Finally, test the remote by pressing the buttons near your Ranger. If it works, you're all set. If not, proceed to the next section. What if the new battery doesn't solve the problem or the case won't close? First, double-check the battery orientation and that the CR2032 battery is new and not expired. If the open case problem persists, carefully realign the internal components and try snapping it shut again, applying even pressure. For remotes still not working, the fob may need reprogramming. Consult your Ford Ranger owner's manual for the specific steps. Typically, this involves turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine and pressing the lock button on the fob. In rare cases, software glitches or deeper hardware issues might require a visit to a Ford dealer for diagnosis and potential reprogramming. Lastly, consider the environment. Humidity and extreme temperatures can affect battery life and the key fob's electronics. Store your key fob in a cool, dry place when not in use.